Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert PDF file in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First of all, I will show how to insert PDF file in Microsoft Word. It's very simple. You need to go to the insert option on the top left side, and from here you will see an option called object. Well, here is the object option. Just tap on that, and now you need to select the create from file. Then go tap on the browse, and from here you need to select the PDF that you want to insert. So I will select this one and tap on the insert option. Tap on OK, and as you can see my PDF has been added. So let's just make it bigger, and if we double tap, it will say to open, and as you can see it has been opened in another browser or and the section. So after that I will show you how to insert PDF file in Microsoft Word as image so that it can't be changed. So it's very simple. What you need to do, you need to open the PDF file. So suppose I want to insert this image from this PDF file. So I will tap on the search bar on my Windows and search for snipping tool right here. Just tap on the snipping tool, then tap on again on the new, and then select the part you want to copy the image from. Like I want this image, so I will select that option, and now from here you need to tap on the right click, and as you can see here is the copy option. Just tap on that, then go to your Word file, then right click, and you can see a paste option. Just tap on the paste, and as you can see the image has been inserted. So that's how you can easily insert the PDF file as image. So after that, suppose you want to insert the PDF as text. So how you can do that? It is very simple. Again, go to the insert option on the top left side. Then from here you will see an option object, and here is the drop down menu. Okay, so tap on the drop down menu and text from file. You need to tap on the text from file option, and again select the report 9 or the PDF you want to select. Then again tap on insert, again tap on OK, and as you can see the whole report file has been inserted very easily. Okay, now you can see, now I can edit it very nicely. Like as you can see I'm typing. Okay, so that's how you can easily insert the PDF as text. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.